Study about the multiplication of vectors by real numbers. So, multiplying a vector with any positive number lambda, it will give the vector whose magnitude will be changed by the factor lambda, but the direction of the vector will remain the same. For example, you have a positive number lambda. I will start with a vector a. This vector has two informations associated with this. One is magnitude and direction. It has magnitude and direction. So you are going to multiply it with some real number lambda, and this real number could be a positive real number, it could be a negative real number. What will happen then? When you multiply with a positive real number, for example, you are going to multiply with a positive real number, okay, positive real number. What will happen? The magnitude will become lambda times that of a. So उसका lambda time जो है magnitude increase हो जाएगा, but the direction will remain the same. ये बन जाएगा magnitude हो जाएगा lambda times and direction will remain the same. Another case, you have a vector that has magnitude and direction, okay, and it could be possible lambda is negative in this case. So if you will multiply, if you will find lambda time a, then magnitude will become lambda times, it will increase lambda times, okay, and what will happen to the direction? Opposite हो जाएगा, opposite to that of a vector, right? So we will see it with the help of a picture, and see how we'll study it now with the help of a picture. For example, if lambda is equal to 1, first case, what does this mean? Magnitude will remain the same. यदि मैं इसको ऐसे करूं, this is vector a, and if lambda is 1 and 1, it's a positive real number, what will happen? After multiplication, this is lambda time a. So now here lambda is equal to 1. This is lambda time a vector. So it has the same magnitude a and direction will remain the same. So for example, another example, if lambda is equal to 2, so what will happen? Then lambda time a vector, what will happen? Magnitude will become 2 times. So I will draw the diagram in this case. Then the a vector, okay, and this is now 2a vector. What will happen? See, the magnitude will become now 2 times. So I'm not using the scale, but you can just estimate that it is nearly 2 times. So it is not nearly, but it will be, because I'm drawing it just diagram. So I'm writing it over here. It is 2a. It is twice that of a. But as the lambda is positive, so the direction will remain unchanged. The direction will remain the same. See, both points in the same direction. So another way of multiplication is as a vector has magnitude and direction, and in this case lambda is now a negative. You are multiplying now lambda as it's a negative real number to the vector a vector. What will happen? Now the magnitude will become lambda times, but the direction is opposite to that of a. So we'll take the same example. If, see here, if lambda is equal to -1, what will happen in this case? Okay, this is a vector, okay, so what will be minus lambda time a? Lambda time a vector. Now lambda is -1, so its magnitude which is represented by the length of the vector, it will remain the same, but direction will be opposite. See here, direction will be opposite to that of A. Let's say another example in comparison to this. If lambda is equal to minus 2, what will happen then? Let's see, this is your vector A vector, and if lambda is equal to minus 2, then minus 2 times A vector will be represented by, now the length of the vector will become double. Length of the vector will become double, but the direction is opposite to that of A. So this is the meaning of multiplication of a vector by a real number. One more thing I would like to discuss with you. If you are multiplying a vector with a real number that has some units, it has some dimensions. So what will happen? If lambda has some dimensions, यदि लैम्डा के अपने कुछ डायमेंशंस हैं, एंड वेक्टर ए वेक्टर हैज इट्स ओन डायमेंशंस, अब जो लैम्डा है उसके भी अपने डायमेंशंस हैं. कुछ स्केलर क्वांटिटीज आपने पढ़ी है, जैसे लेंथ एक स्केलर क्वांटिटी है, टेम्परेचर एक स्केलर क्वांटिटी है, टाइम स्केलर क्वांटिटी है. सो ऐसे यदि एक स्केलर वेक्टर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होता है तो क्या होगा? देन लैम्डा एंड ए के जो डायमेंशंस होंगे वो लैम्डा टाइम्स ए के डायमेंशन होंगे. मैं उदाहरण के लिए आपको बताता हूँ. फॉर एग्जांपल, आपके पास वेलोसिटी एक वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है, टाइम एक स्केलर क्वांटिटी है. देखिए, टाइम क्या है? स्केलर क्वांटिटी है. ओके, time is a scalar quantity. And what about velocity? Velocity is a vector quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. So multiply with both of these. What will happen? ये देखिए, velocity having the dimensions L by T. What are the मैं ऐसे कर देता हूँ इसको, velocity time T. So answer is L, and this is the dimensions of displacement. Okay, there could be another example. Acceleration is a vector quantity and time is a scalar quantity. So what will be the dimensions of acceleration into time? So ये देखिए, acceleration के dimensions हो जाएंगे L by t square into time. So cancel हो जाएंगे. You are left with L by t. So that is what the dimensions of velocity is. It's the dimension of velocity. So this means if lambda and a have the dimensions, इसका conclusion हम आपके लिए लिख देते हैं. If lambda and a vector has dimensions, यदि इन दोनों के dimensions होंगे, then lambda and a have the dimensions equivalent to lambda a. जब आप lambda को a वेक्टर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो उसके डायमेंशंस वैसे ही होंगे. So as you have seen in the example, if you multiply the velocity with the time, you will get the dimensions of displacement vector. So it is all about this video. I hope that you have learned the method how we multiply a vector with the real numbers. With this I will close this video, and if you do have any question, you can write in the comment box. Thank you very much.